Mower won't start. I have changed the spark plug, replaced air filter and gas. Still it won't start. It's a Poulan Pro with a Briggs & Stratton 6.75 engine.
Hey there, I'm Richard G. Is this a push mower? Starting with a new spark plug, checking oil level and clean air filter. Make several tries to start the mower. Remove the spark plug and note if there is any fuel on the tip of it. Check for visual spark by grounding the spark plug threads against the engine, attempting to start the engine while observing the tip of the spakrplug for visual spark. This is best done in a shady area. No spark? Ignition problem. Coil, kill wire, rust on igniton parts, spark plug wire or cap or damaged flywheel. Very quickly. Missed fuel into the spark plug hole, install spark plug and spark plug cap. Make several tries to start the mower. If the mower starts and dies, there is a fuel problem most likely. Such as carburetor dirty, gaskets, fuel filter dirty if it has one, fuel line clogged, gas cap or dirty fuel tank. If it has a fuel cutoff, check it as well. Clean the entire fuel system. If the mower has spark and will not start and run off with misted fuel. Check the flywheel key to make sure it isn't sheared and the timing isn't off. Perform a compression test and cylinder leak down test on the engine, as there could be piston damage, valve damage or other possible engine damage. If we need to discuss this further, please reply back here to so. Notes: if there wasn't fuel on the tip of the spark plug when removed, this would indicate a dirty fuel system. Thanks, Richard G.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.